Box cover, this is Dr. and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Now I know you have not seen me in quite a while, and people, I apologize. I did under the weather, my voice did gone, and to be honest, I did just reach a point where I never really did feel the vibes for doing no more videos. I just did out of it. But anyway, I think I'm back because whole heap of mix up gone. So I forgot giving you 2 social media countdowns back to back to catch up on all of this bounty and footer type of drama. So anyway, let us get right into it. Number 10, Ishawna talks. So people, oh my gosh, you know, so this whole Danielle D.I and Ishawna feud have gone for weeks now. One crocus bag of things them talk up about each other online, and Danielle D.I was, we can say she was doing a little bit more, coming out here and there, talking this and that about the whole feud.
She good, them for work with she, love she. This is a person that her own baby father.
And Ishawna for the most part was just keeping herself to herself. But all of that changed when she took to OnStage. Yes, Mr. Winford Williams, I do not know, me no know how you and Ishawna have, why Ishawna just loyal to you, like how Gaza Slim did loyal to Vibes Kartel.
One man me say I'm in meaning.
So anyway, Ishawna went on stage to talk about all of the controversy them which she have gone with through the year. First up was the feud with Danielle D.I and the whole talking about mother this and mother that. Here's what she had to say.
Don't know anything about D.I. Me and D.I was never friends. We never used to cross the road together. None of that. Me, they mind my business. I go my gym. I drink my water. I take my vitamins. And I just hear a song about me.
I like the little talk, the little, yeah, girl do this and girl do that and girl eat her vitamins. I like the little talk, that kind of act.
First of all, I did not diss her mother in the song. I said, your mother is on her deathbed. Why are you here trying to pick a war with me? Basically, that's what the song is about.
But Ishawna, come talk. Talk the truth, man. You never say it so nice. You say go truck in your half-dead mummer. That the kind of... The one that they kind of well savage Ishawna. I never sound so nice like how you make it sound for an interview.
Your mother back for life. Where you reach over here, sir?
How did you get here?
Then, you know, when for the ask her about the whole Miss Lou controversy, and she made a little point that I can say, I never really think about it that way.
Personally, I wouldn't say I diss Miss Lou. The media said Ishawna diss Miss Lou. I didn't say I didn't diss Miss Lou. I posted a picture on Instagram and I made reference to Miss Lou. Because I said I don't dress in tablecloth like Miss Lou. Now, if they had came out and said Ishawna dissed the bandana by calling it a tablecloth, then I would say, okay, that makes sense.
And then lastly, she had to talk about the whole equal rights controversy. And she say, you know, a woman, them share defense, so she have to talk about things that the women are going through.
Big, it was actually very surprising how big it is because me feel like a 2017. So it was just so shocking how the whole world was just talking about equal rights.
So let me know, burritos, what did you think of Ishawna's interview? Do you think that she represented herself well? Do you think that she addressed the points in a decent manner? Comment below.
Number 9, political moves. So people miss kitty, miss la 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 means I love you. So anyway, people, Miss Kitty was at the Jamaica Moves event, you know, forget people fake be exercising and keeping healthy. When, you know, she was on stage with Mr. Audley Shaw and, what the other one named? Jesus Christ. Oh God, Mr. Christopher Tufton. And just take a look. Look what Miss Kitty have the good politician them do.
Jamaica Moves, ready?
Number 8, Spice meets Cardi. You later, you can miss me if you wanted to. With the bench and these rabbit. So people, dancehall queen, oh God, I can't call her dancehall queen. Yes, dancehall queen Spice met Cardi B, the girl with the #1 song in the country, the United States of America. They met at the BET Hip Hop Awards, and not gonna lie, when I saw this, the first person I thought of was Nicki, because people say Nicki and Cardi not really on good terms, so me I wonder if Nicki gonna look on this and now but against Spice the collaboration, because it look like the Spice are front up the competition now. Me don't know, but let's see people. So they met on the red carpet, and Cardi B had, boy oh boy, she had just nothing but nice things to say to Spice.
Because you don't understand, like, you really inspire me. Like, I used to wear the everybody say, like, oh, I come from way back.
fix your song.
You're in now. That's like Thank you.
Wait for the one of the blood clot, eh?
And Spice, in usual fashion, was just being her nice little queenly self, you know? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, record it. Make sure you say it record it now. Because we need to look up on my Instagram. Oh my god, that was so nice. Say it again and say it a little louder so the camera can hear you. I would say big up to Spice because Spice has been doing some tremendous things on the international stage. Recently, it's just nice to see that somebody from Jamaica is representing at these functions. Big up yourself, Spice.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's a girl Shensia and you're watching Dirty Berry Social Media Countdown. Keep it locked.
And now check out the random video of the week. Number 7, Juvenile Challenge. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot essay. People, oh my gosh, this video come out one long while ago, but I couldn't talk about it because my voice still gone. But anyway, let's just jump into it. So this video surfaced online one day with these kids participating in the 40D/40P challenge. Basically, for all the adults them that might be over a certain age that don't really know, this is a social media challenge where there's a rhythm where you just freestyle lyrics and saying things that you would do for the vagina or for the penis. So you would say, I would wash, cook and clean for the vagina. Or you would say, you would skull school for the D, whatever that you want to put to this rhythm.
Kaepernick, I take a knee for that P. Pack up my bags and leave for that P. I leave the movie scene for that P. I wanna have kids with the P.
So, these kids from a particular school decided, so them go and do the video, do the challenge, and put it up online. Pre-people.
Hey.
Hey.
We take a girl man for the
Hey.
we stop got school for the
Hey.
public hospital for the day.
Hey.
I'm a prince pant for that.
Hey.
Me was got die for the pussy. Hey. Me will climb a mountain for the pussy.
Hey.
Me jump a fence for the pussy.
Hey.
Me will check my knee for the pussy.
Hey.
But me now put my tongue in the pussy.
Now here are my 2 cents. I don't really have a problem with these kids participating in this challenge because, you know, kids talk about sex. Me used to talk about when me used to watch HBO and Cinemax in a lunchtime and all them, because something there with my friend in my high school, and when me I watch or read like a hard copy magazine, them I find a roadside, me used to talk about them like things there. So kids talking about sex is nothing new. But the issue is that the kids never really recognize or know the difference that certain things were not a good representation of them school and for them age group. And so, me I wonder how them never really know the little thing there because, you know, when you know, say, okay, you know, I gotta take a picture of this, you know, certain things you just load. So that is where I have one issue with that. They never understand being responsible on social media. And right about now, we have to say big up Quiet Perry on his social media tour that's going to be coming soon, talking about bullying and talking about being responsible online. But so looking forward to that with Quiet Perry, Bella Blair, Casey Fennell, and, you know, whole heap of other people that go and pop up. Should be fun. Number 6, clap back. My word, my sentence, my bull of bread foot, Jesus, P. Oh my gosh, this is a period of just embarrassing clapbacks. So, I'm gonna start first with Danielle D.I. So, Danielle D.I. came on stage and she talked about her ex, Ricardo Fuller, and the fact that, you know, the man, they give her $1 million pound, and she come in as a wife, and she her exited like the wife.
Guess what? When me and the baller left, is a £1 million settlement me and him go. Yeah?
But to back's foot, Mr. Ricardo Fuller go send him lawyer for go write one well-worded piece of documented essay and go read the following week after Danielle D.I. come on. And the letter, it read.
Well, in a statement sent to us from Ricardo Fuller, he wishes to distance himself from the situation and sent us this release. I, Ricardo Fuller, wish to refute claims made on a recent interview on stage, aired on September 22nd, 2017, by Daniel Isaacs, also known as D.I. I was never at any time engaged to Daniel Isaacs. Neither did I give Daniel Isaacs £1 million as a settlement, as she claimed on the program.
That was one proper piece of embarrassing bringeth down. But Danielle D.I. wasn't the only person to get embarrassed like that online. Miss Lisa Hanna was another one because she had took, oh God, she had took to Twitter. Was it Twitter? She took to Twitter to mourn the death of, Jesus, I forget the brother name.
Newly appointed opposition spokesperson on foreign affairs, Lisa Hanna, has found herself in an embarrassing situation this evening. Ms. Hanna issued a statement today saying the St. Lucian ambassador to the Organization of American States was a victim of the Las Vegas shooting in the United States. But moments later, the Foreign Affairs Minister issued a statement saying that is not true. And saying Ms. Hanna needs to act with caution.
He is not dead, but I'm alive. I plan them, say Miss Hanna. I say them something about scandal, enough. I know the show not based off of just fiction alone in a real something them talk about. Number 5, street performer. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. People just read the video. This woman, I do not know which part of the United States of her America she was, but she up on the street, I guess I collect some little change, and she decided to do the epicest, the most epic piece of medley me ever see or hear since me on this earth.
Hey, I know you look fine. Bro, we don't care where you're man from. Ain't see the shot man. But you make a man like you know that I'm not. Keep your hands on. If you're on the east, put you in a dance man. And I go like yes man. Bullet me go pound and that's gonna last man. He's hard in the dance man. Who's there? If you're your man like thank you. Pick up the back man.
No man, that shell. And now check out the second random video of the week. Number 4, Vendetta Cry. So I guess it wouldn't be surprising to know that Alkaline might have a similar Michael Jackson effect as it relates to his fans. This girl see Alkaline in a foreign, and my girl was just caught up with emotion. She just started to ball same time. And Alkaline, being the decent, upstanding young man that he is, just decided to just give her.
Oh my God! No, pizza! Oh my God! That's the way it is!
Oh, sorry. Before you want a picture with the dogs, we get the food.
Oh, don't cry! Please don't cry! Oh my God!
What you got me on?
Say she love Alkaline one more time. And I heard you should love him.
Oh.
Oh my God!
Yo.
I'm gonna tell her don't cry now. Get the picture. Please, don't cry. I want to watch out, Showball. Yes. Look at me.
So people, let me know, Berridas, how would you react if you got to meet the Vendetta boss? You think you'd ball so, or you would just kind of keep your cool and go ball one side? Comment below. Number 3, Team Spice versus Diani. So people, Jesus, beam! Team Spice dancers, them you don't know, so they hard. Them are some serious bad people. They do not hard play. Them say all for one for all. So the saying goes something like that. So anyway, Diani was online, and I guess she scrolled through her timeline and see a video with dancehall queen or DHQ Talop fighting with this brother called Gan Goli. Look on the video. People, if you don't know who Diani is Travis's wife, yeah, vlogger, comedian, dead, something like artist, yeah, film wife, not. So she saw the video and I guess found it amusing and left this comment. LOL, okay, I've seen the video and that shit is funny as fuck right now. And I'm I as fuck. Everyone thinks they trying to dance on this man, but it's really these girls fighting him. LMFAO. That's how they fight. I'm weak. Smiley face. But no. You know, so you can't just say anything about Team Spice dancers and the whole congregation around them do not run in and properly decide to go and done you. So this is what Dancing Rebel say. Your man is a comedian and you're lame now F. That look like fighting, you can't dance? You wouldn't understand Annabelle looking BB all. No for only just love run up in a things you need figure run up in a something well concrete and knock off your BBC freckles off of your face, exclamation sign. Laugh about that because you know see, the man a try hurt the girl like a BBC Travis Lane, BBC stagnant joke them blind your eye them about your BBC high favor idiot. Oh wow, shit got real. So then Nikki Chromas intervened. At the addy, shut your big dirty stinking broad pocket mouth. Your mouth big like some stripper lacquer. Mouth big like 60 Samsung Smart TV. No come tell a lie about your BCI. Red riding big mouth hag. Move your dirty BC and go. All biatch. And go fight over your relationship where sad like a widow. All biatch. Okay, we can have a little intermission because this will take a whole heap out of me. Now here comes dancehall queen Stylo. Girl, shut the F up if you don't know shit. Don't talk about dancer, which door you come through. Vanish away, you ugly village. Instead, this is not one of Chaba's funny videos. Move freckle face. Notice how me spell it. Girl, when me done with you, you're sober. Go your mother, girl, with your three-way relationship that you used to the free nights like a conference. Run go up under your mama. Where you come from? You think Chaba's comedy this? Where you too enough! Exclamation sign, exclamation sign, exclamation sign. So that is it, people. I guess Diana did not reply. Trabas just, I guess, Trabas stay out tight. And that is it. I guess all that ends bad, just ends bad. Let me know, people, what do you think about this? Move on to the next number, yeah? Number 2, the pun of it all. People! Oh, jeez, and people. When I say literary device, when I say pun, I mean P-U-N. Oh, don't I just love a good play on words? So this brother was stopped and asked about his thoughts on corporal punishment, you know, as it relates to that video with the woman and Will Machete. And here is what he had to say. And just listen, just listen.
Yeah, my life, me a come.
What are some of the things you used to get beaten with?
Well, if mommy say, yo, get some wood, I may not get the wood in time, or she knows so well, I go, she discipline me after while me stop doing. Me just go get the wood, and when him come, the wood is there, me not get no bean. But carry water, if you don't carry water, the water in the yard.
We're done. And number 1 goes to... Say cheese! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my bibliotheque. Oh my gosh, people are just glad say Cheese his back. Cheese, if you don't know who Cheese is a social media cuss off personality. Now let me tell you, when me say the girl you can cuss, the girl cuss in such a way that all when you don't like the Ray, you just have to stand up one side and give her one little round of appreciation. You just have to give it to her props them. The way oh my girl just use her simile, her little metaphor them for bringing her point, and the way she just say it with such a level of conviction. My girl just theatrics. You have to give her props for just that raw innate sort of talent. So anyway, Cheese came on the scene way before there was a Barbara that went viral. By the way, what Barbara did? What Barbara go on with?
Stinking, dirty, nasty watermelon pussy. You can talk about my kids, my 4 kids. Reverse the thing. It wasn't me. It was Bam Bam, baby, who got bitten by a rat. Come on, take a look.
And she went viral with that video. And I guess, you know, she's back on the scene now because she have somebody new for cuss off. Take one look.
Are you lifting weights? What are you doing with your chest? And I bring you in every girl I buy with them no born with. Where you can't buy where you no born with. You don't have no money. Hungry your best friend. Mackerel and rice is your cousin. Blood clot sardine and rice is beating your bad because all you can find is the mackerel.
And so Cheese put up them video here on Instagram. I don't know who get Cheese Instagram, but Cheese, boy oh boy, Instagram now go good again.
Baby father, give me that scary look good. Oh baby, make my mouth straight and here one leave. Oh baby, make my mouth straight and here one leave. Boy! Because every time you come for a video, if you don't touch me, pitney if you get to me, call you could attack all you want. But see when you touch my true looks, my pretty little daughter, my daughter will lead. You and the whole of yours, them. You got to get me mad, cross, angry, miserable like Bunty Blood. Don't put no salt on my name, because at the end of the day, yeah.
What to say? What I have left to say? What do I have left to say after all of this? What I have left to say? Well, that's it, people. Thank you so much for watching this Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you liked it. If you did, just leave a thumbs up. Click the like button right here. So please, may I beg you to want a little like stem. And do not just like it alone. Leave a comment as well. Just tell me what was your favorite part of the countdown. Was it number 1? Was it number 2? Number 3? Number 4? Just let me know. And also, I want you to subscribe if you are not a subscriber as yet. Why you going to miss out on the fun? If you want to reach out to me on my social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show, at DUTTYBERRY Show, on my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, Snapchat, all over me are there. If you want to book me or anything like that, just to send me little words of wisdom, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
Pretty girls alone. Pretty girls alone. Pretty girls alone.
Gaza. Girl, your body magical, body no sick for hospital. Boss a whiny girl, pretty Barbie doll. White teeth, you no carry dirty dental. No bag a man, you rev you out like no rental.
If I love you one more time.